As part of the Little Hands Nature Club, the Hancock Park District taught youngsters about shadow fun.
Families with kids ages 3 to 6 could meet in the Oakwoods Nature Preserve Discovery Center to learn about how shadows form through different hands-on activities. After a shadow puppet show, the kids could create their own craft and play shadow-related games. The program specialist, Tim Kleeman, said that the lesson is a blast for the instructors and children alike.
So today is one of our days for our Little Hands Nature Club, where each month we try to do a different, fun, hands-on, outdoor-related activity. I just hope that they have fun today and retain just one little information to take home and they can use later on.
The club will meet again on August 22nd, where they will learn about animal habitats.